Welcome to Cannes, where today we are on Boulevard de la Croisette, the world-famous boulevard with boutique shops, sandy beaches and gourmet restaurants in the jewel of the French Riviera, Cannes. So we are looking today at an apartment on the Croisette, in fact in one of my favorite buildings. Why? Because we're slightly set back from the Croisette itself, giving us a little bit more privacy and beautiful views that look out over these lovely gardens below us, palm trees, rose gardens, and then of course the Bay of Cannes. So this property has been beautifully renovated. We have 2 ensuite bedrooms and exceptional finishes that I will point out to you as we go. As always, if you have any questions afterwards, my name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera, and we hope to hear from you very soon. Now let's go on inside together. The apartment has been entirely renovated to a very high standard. We have 80 square meters of living space, with the living room and kitchen cum dining room both opening out onto the west-facing terrace. So for evening light, sunsets, of course fireworks over the Bay of Cannes as well, it's ideal. The bedrooms are both on the east side with the morning light. Now the apartment, as we go, I'll talk through some of the features that are really worth noting, and we'll start with the chevron style solid oak wood floors, which bring a warmth and an elegance to the overall apartment. The kitchen is one of the most beautifully fitted kitchens I've seen in a long time, with real attention to detail. By an Italian company, the kitchen is bespoke, it's Arrital, with Miele appliances throughout. We also have features such as this gorgeous quartzite Taj Mahal work surface with matching backsplash. This brass tap that is a kuka tap. It actually does cold filtered water, ice cold, as well as sparkling water, boiling water at 100 degrees for tea, and of course normal hot and cold water. This is a gem in the kitchen. We have coffee machine, wine cave as well, double ovens, one of which is a microwave as well. And a little hidden feature before we head on to the rest of the apartment, which is this bar space that you can close off behind the doors. A lovely additional feature and just finishes the kitchen perfectly. It's remarkably quiet for being located on the Croisette in this apartment, mainly because of the fact that the building is just hidden behind this park space that separates us from the road itself. So you really have peace and quiet from within the apartment, which is a lovely, lovely aspect. And now we come through to the bedrooms. 2 ensuite bedrooms. We'll start in the main, which is really very spacious, with its integrated and bespoke cupboards, all with integrated LED lighting as well. We have, of course, air conditioning throughout the apartment. It's an air zone system, which allows you to change the temperature, of course, individually from room to room. So the main bathroom is fitted with this freestanding Korean bathtub, perfect for relaxing at the end of a long day. We then have 3-meter high travertine tiles on all the walls, which give a beautiful finish. And those same tiles have been used to make these bespoke sinks in both bathrooms that are so stylish and elegant, with their Gessi bronze taps as well. Every feature, every fitting has really been beautifully thought through in this property. The second bedroom is equally fitted with its integrated wardrobes and LED lights. And then throughout the apartment, we have a Sonos music system, which along with air conditioning, lights and shutters, can all be controlled by your phone, by what's called in French, domotique. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this luxury 2-bedroom apartment on the Croisette in Cannes with me today. And I also hope to hear from you very soon. À très bientôt!